Fellow mechanic, just wanted to do a quick video on fuel injector replacement on this Mazda Rx7 we have here, or Rx8. It's got the rotary engine, and just wanted to show you guys while I had it all apart. The fuel rails on this, and as you can see, we got the intake manifold off here. The intake, we got this Y piece that goes underneath it, and the intake boot, oil separator type deal here. But if we look down inside the intake itself, it is kind of hard to get down in here for you guys to see. Well, there's actually two fuel rails. The upper rail is this one here with the blue connector on it, and if you look down below it where that red connector is, that's the lower rail. Those two green pieces down there are the two lower fuel injectors, and then there's two more on the upper rail. And I was able to get both those rails out just by pulling this upper plenum section, and I replaced all the O-ring seals on the injectors and reassembled it. But basically, what it was is one of the lower fuel injector O-rings was leaking fuel, so that's why we had to take this apart. And I mean, basically this is all I had to take off. We have this lower U section that kind of sits in here like that, and then we have the upper plenum piece that kind of sits on there like that. And then we got the oil fill section here that there's another port down there where that kind of sits like that. And that's about all that's entailed in replacing fuel injectors on an Rx8. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.